Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to deploy a Prismic website on Netlify using Nuxt. So we've been working hard with the team over at Nuxt to bring you the Prismic module, the Prismic Nuxt module, which will allow you to have all the benefits of Prismic with the advantages of static deployment on Netlify using Nuxt. So you'll still be able to have those essential Prismic features like previews. So we're just going to jump straight in. It's a pretty fast process. You can go to the article in the description of this video, which will give you all the descriptions, all the instructions step by step to do this, but we'll quickly go through. We'll have a look at the demo first. It's a pretty simple website, just a bit of text and some pages. And using this Prismic sample project, you're going to have all the code ready for you. You're going to have all the content types already created in Prismic. And in those custom types, we do have some really nice slices which are linked to components in the project, which allow you to create a really flexible website from quite a small amount of code. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is install the Prismic command line tool if you haven't. The instructions are there. I already have it. So the only thing I need to do is run the command Prismic theme in my terminal. And what that will do is we'll download the project files on your local host. It will create the custom types in a Prismic repo for you. It'll push that there, and all you'll need to do is add the content. So let's get into it. I'm going to call my repo Breaking Bad because I really love that show. I'm going to make a small website about it. Okay, and you can see it creates the repo, opens it up for us. And the first thing we're going to want to do is change our language, or choose our language, sorry. I'm just going to choose English. First thing I'll do is open homepage, give it a title, Breaking Bad. I've got some text prepared for this. And let me see, save that. And just add my image. Add my second image for later. That's going to be the banner image from a home page. Just give the button some generic text for now. And we'll add a text section. So if you see this plus sign, will open up a bunch of slices which you can use to make very varied pages. And let's set this to 2 columns. So this is a slice label, and that will be sent through the API to your project, so you can create different layouts and stuff using this label as like a CSS class. So I will set that, a bit of text, we'll save this, publish. Okay, so that's our home page. Next we're going to need a second page. We're going to do one simple page and call it Vincent, because we are going to do this page about Vincent Gilligan. That is the creator of Breaking Bad. So we get a little image of him there. And we'll add some more text. There we go. Pretty simple. Set the 1 column. Save that. Publish. Quickly jump over. Last thing we need to add for the content, simple menu title, again, Breaking Bad, link label, Vince, select the link, and we're going to link to another Prismic document, so easy peasy, add that, save, there you go. So that's the easy part. That's all of the content added. Okay, so CD Breaking Bad. We'll go into the project folder. We're going to test it on our local host, and then you're going to see how to quickly jump over to Netlify and add that all there. So let's just test it here first. Okay, npm run dev. So luckily, if all goes well, you will see your content once this app is loaded. Okay, great. So you can see everything. You can see our other page. Okay, so now let's test this on Netlify. I can copy this content from the GitHub repo that I already set up. So just shut that down. Okay. Cool. So if I refresh, which is see our content on GitHub. Okay, I haven't added everything, so git add, git commit, all files. Not great comments, but they do. Git push origin master. Okay. Yep, so everything's there, and easy peasy, jump over to Netlify. New site from Git, GitHub. Okay, and there we can see breaking, that is the name of the repo. And the build command here is npm run generate. And the publish directory dist, and you click deploy site. Okay, so what's going to happen now is going to take a couple of seconds for Netlify to run that build command. It's going to generate all the static files, so it'll deliver everything from that website in HTML and CSS. And that means your website's going to be super fast. The advantage of this is that maybe on traditional Vue websites, you have the danger that because it loads slowly, the Google crawl bot might not index it well, and so it might hurt your SEO standings. Using Nuxt like this, it's going to be delivered super fast, so you're not going to have those issues. So while that loads, what we're going to do is we're going to jump back to our homepage, and we're going to make a simple change. So you saw earlier we have this with 2 columns. We're going to save that, and we're going to change that to 1 column, and we'll be able to see the difference. Okay, so just need to let that load. One last thing. Yeah, so it's loaded. So there you can see the live site using Prismic and Netlify, and we'll, I have to set up the preview. Of course, there's always one step that we forget. So simple enough. You take the URL generated by Netlify for you. You add that here. Oh, sorry, here. We'll just call it Netlify. / preview, and there you go. That's your preview created in Prismic. And when we hit the preview button, it'll open that deployment on Netlify, and you can see this single column, whereas here we've got the double columns. So pretty simple. That was pretty fast. We got a website downloaded with all our project files. We got our content added. We deployed, ready to go live, so that can be crawled by Google. That can be sent to users, whoever you need to show, colleagues, other employees. You can preview your changes, and all done super fast, super easy with all that hard work done for you. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, reach out to us on our chat support. There's also some follow-up videos on how to create components in Nuxt that you can see. There's also a video for the blog example for this same technology of Nuxt. So check that out, and thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.